What's up, my Power Up friends? Welcome back to Power Up with Kanie. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a delicious egg roll bowl. My Power Up friends, your entire family will absolutely love this dish. It is perfectly keto, perfectly low carb, but no one in your family will be able to tell because it is absolutely delicious. They will be asking for seconds. Wow. Once you make this dish, you will want to have this for dinner every single night, if not every single night, 2 to 3 times a week. It is delicious. It is so amazing. It tastes just like the egg roll, but again, without the carbs. Let me tell you, don't skip out on that crushed red pepper because it's got a spiciness, a little kick to it, plus that ginger in there, the soy sauce, the sesame seeds. Oh my word. First, I'm going to show you the ingredients you'll need to season your ground beef. So you'll need 2 pounds of ground beef. I'm using the grass-fed ground beef from Aldi. And here are the seasonings I'm going to put in it. You'll need a 1/2 cup of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of crushed red pepper, 1/8 cup of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of sea salt, 1/2 cup of soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. And now I'm going to mash all of my seasonings into the ground beef. Now I'm going to put my seasoned ground beef to the side, and I'm going to show you what ingredients will go in my saute before I add my ground beef. All right, guys, so over here at the stove, I have a large, deep stir-fry pan, and I'm going to put some avocado oil in here. And I'm gonna wait just a minute or two for that to heat up. The first thing I'm going to add is 3/4 cup of diced red onion. Next, I'm adding 1 cup of diced portabella mushroom. I'm also adding 1/4 cup of fresh minced ginger and 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds. All right, now I'm gonna give everything a good mix. Once the onions and the mushrooms have softened and your saute is sizzling, do you hear that? And this smells amazing already. Then you're going to add your pre-seasoned ground beef. And using this ground beef masher, I'm going to integrate the ground beef with the saute. You want your ground beef to take on all of the delicious flavors of this saute. And now I'm going to put a lid on it so it cooks faster and more evenly. You'll notice that when your ground beef is cooked all the way through, you're going to have liquid that's accumulated on the top. That's just the juice from the meat, also the vinegar that we put in there, the soy sauce. I would say it's about 1 cup of liquid, and you want to go ahead and drain that. The way I'm going to drain it is I'm just going to put a lid over it, and then I'm going to drain it in the sink. Once your ground beef is cooked all the way through, then you're going to add 2 bags of this classic coleslaw. This is washed and ready to eat. Of course, if you wanted to dice up your own coleslaw, you're more than welcome to do that. But I'm going with this store-bought bag to save time. And this is, again, fresh and washed already, so it makes the process a lot quicker. So 2 of these bags. Each bag is 14 ounces. Now I'm going to mix this all together until my coleslaw has softened just a little. You want it to be a little crunchy still so that you can have that pleasant texture when you bite into your egg roll bowl. So I'm going to mix it around, and then with my spoon, I'll be able to tell if my coleslaw is still a little bit crunchy, and that will be the prime time for you to take it off the fire. This recipe makes 6 servings, so you can easily make this for your entire family for lunch or for dinner. You can see that my coleslaw has softened, but when I press it down with my spoon, there's still a little crunch to it. So that's the prime time to take this off the stove, and that's when you know it's ready. I've turned off the fire, and now I'm going to serve it in this dish. This smells amazing, and it smells just like an egg roll, and it is perfectly keto, perfectly low carb, and extremely healthy. You will not believe how delicious this smells. Before I give this a taste test, I'm going to put a half a cup of freshly chopped chives over the top of it. All right, let's give this a taste. I can't wait. Wow. Once you make this dish, you will want to have this for dinner every single night, if not every single night, 2 to 3 times a week. It is delicious. It is so amazing. It tastes just like the egg roll, but again, without the carbs. Let me tell you, don't skip out on that crushed red pepper because it's got a spiciness, a little kick to it, plus that ginger in there, the soy sauce, the sesame seeds. Oh my word. I've got to give this another taste. To die for. To die for. Amazing. I'm going to give this recipe a 10. My Power Up friends, your entire family will absolutely love this dish. It is extremely healthy. It is perfectly keto, perfectly low carb, but no one in your family will be able to tell because it is absolutely delicious. They will be asking for seconds. All right, my Power Up friends, that's it for this video. For more low carb recipes that are keto friendly, super delicious, and super easy to make, hit that subscribe button, hit the little bell icon, and don't forget to share this video and my channel with friends and family who you know have embarked on a healthy eating journey. Bye until next time.